Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, just a couple of things. I'd like to thank everybody for the lovely wishes that we received here at Joe's Rust Buckets. There's been quite a few of you that have commented, and I've had some beautiful comments. So I would just like to say sincerely, thank you. I would also like to wish all the subscribers a really peaceful and a happy new year. And looking forward to next year, yeah, and what it brings. I hope it's going to be, better than the last 2 years, because they've been difficult on everybody, and so I would just like to wish everybody, all the subscribers and anybody who has clicked like and share, etc., just like to wish you all a really great New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and the year throughout. As regards updates and things, I'm heading off in the morning to look at a lift for the workshop, stroke garage, etc. Shed. Yeah, so the lift should be a great help. I'm hoping that it will be a great help. It gets me off the ground, makes life a little easier. I've realised that I'm not getting any younger. A bit late, I know. But yeah, it'll be a great help if it all works out. I had a lift and I sold it again because it was a 2-post lift, and I'm kind of restricted as regards height. So I let that go, and I've decided to go for like a mid-rise that can get up fairly high, and all going well, we can do a deal on it, and yeah, that would be a great help for the new year. Gets me off the floor. I'd also like to give a shout out to D-Mop Garage, and in no particular order, Haptic Garage, Brent, that's it, Brent at Haptic Garage. He does a great job over there. He entertained me immensely in the first part of last year, etc. He restored, I'm not quite sure if it's a 65 or a 67 microbus, and he done a great job. Engine build as well, really entertaining. So yeah, Van, what is it with my head? Vandemic. Okay, there it is, Vandemic. Yeah, and then that went on from like there's a group that, a lovely community of people that kind of have connected and crossed wires with each other, etc. So there's Backyard Combi, big shout out to Backyard, Slade VW, Hubertus, who's doing a double cab. If you haven't gone to Hubertus's, it's HCS. I hope I've got that right now. You'll kill me. Hey Hubertus. Who else have we got? Good old Mike. Annie's VWs. Jawbreaker. VW Jawbreaker. Great channel. Gary over there with VW Jawbreaker. And there's a couple of closer to home as well here in Ireland, and I'm going to give those a mention in the new year. These are the people that I've just mentioned are people that I've had a lot of communication with throughout the year, and I'd like to wish you guys and all extended family and friends a really happy new year, and I hope this new year brings an end to the craziness that's in the world. I think it could have run its race, but hey, I'm a doctor of metallurgy, not of the particular things that are going around at the moment, so just trying to stay away, avoid all that. But yeah, I'm thinking we've got this thing beat. So that's it, guys. I would just like to take this opportunity to say thanks back, and thanks for all the encouragement, the help throughout the year, etc. To my Irish contingency as well. That is, it's not just to everybody. So I think I mentioned about the lift. I'm hoping to get the lift, and that'll be, I might actually do some footage on that as well. I probably will do, and I'll put it up in January. But for now, thanks to everybody. Thank you all. Ciao.